All right, now on this Neon, I'm going to show you how to take off the top portion of this dash here. It's pretty easy to do. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And there's a screw right here we have to take out. I get it partially out. I'll tell you what, if you have a can or something, keep all of these little screws. I keep all of them on every vehicle I have because you never know when you need these. These things are lifesavers sometimes. So there's that one. Now we got to go to the other side. And we have another screw over here. You got to open the door up real wide to get in here. And we're going to take this one out. And also this will allow you to have access into the airbag in case you need to get in here. And now, since we got those two screws out, excuse me, right about in the center, just kind of push up on it like this. And what this will do, it'll loosen this up a little bit. And you'll be able to go ahead and release these other clips under here, which I'll have to set the camera down to do that real quick. Okay, now you can see this is kind of loose. Now what we got to do is go ahead and take these corner pieces here out because these will hold that dash down there. One off on that side. Now we got to go to the other side and get that one out. And out comes this one. Alright, so we'll put that in the back. And now we're ready to go ahead and lift up on this dash and just kind of pull up on it like that. Alright, so what you got to do now, you got two screws here we have to take out. These are Phillips screws. You're going to have to use a setup like this here, like I got. Some kind of an angle Phillip, because there's not enough room here to get your regular screwdriver in here because of the windshield is in the way. And once we get these out, we can almost get this, it's just about ready to come out. Get this one over here. These are kind of odd looking screws. And alright, at this point we're ready to take this out. Now when you're pulling on this, there is some glue up here and a strip. It may get caught on the windshield, but it will come out. And there it comes. And out it comes. And we'll just simply put this in the back. I'll give you a look here real quick. And there's what it looks like with the dash off. You can get in here and replace these speakers and clean it up and get in here and do some other things. And all that. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get this airbag out on the passenger side in a second video. So I'll go ahead and put a link down in the bottom so you can see that.